Good morning, 8th grade. Welcome back. I hope you all had a fantastic April vacation. I know there wasn't a lot to do over the week, but I hope you got to relax, got to sleep, maybe watch a movie or two. I did a lot of hiking, hanging around with my pets. It was good. Anyway, I missed you guys and I hope you're well. I know yesterday you did some guided notes for Mrs. Schmiel. We're going to talk about slope today. It's a pretty simple concept. You're probably feeling okay about it, but let's go over it anyway. All right, starting with number 1 on investigation 2, what is slope? You already did the guided notes, the top section. So we're going to start with the practice section, finding the slope of a line from a graph. So as we know, slope is really just rise over run. Most of these graphs have given you 2 points to work with, and we're just going to have to count. So let's look at the points that we have on graph A. We have this one here and this one here. If we count our rise, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And our run is 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds. We can't reduce that. We could reduce it to 1 1/3, but for these purposes, 4 thirds is absolutely fine. Number 2, I see the line is going down. So we're going to have a negative slope. Let's look again. For our rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our run is 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 over 4 can be reduced to 2. And remember, since it's a downward slope, it's negative 2. Okay, we're going up again. That's good. We'd rather have a positive slope. Just easier to work with positive numbers. So let's look at our rise, 1, and our run, 3. That means our slope is 1/3. Letter D. We are back to this negative trend. So let's look at what our rise is. Kind of a backward rise when it's negative. 1, 2. And our run is 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that negative sign there. Negative 2/4, though, can be reduced to negative 1/2 if I divide each number by 2. E. The points are not given to you here. However, we can find 2 perfect spots. Right there and right there. It crosses the lines in the graph perfectly. And then we're going to count again. My rise is 1, 2, 3, 4. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are both divisible by 2. So my slope is 2/3. Part 2. There's just 2 graphs here, A and B, and we have to write the rise and the run and the slope. So it says starting at point A, find the rise and run to get to point B. Then connect the points to make a solid line. Identify the rise, run, and slope for the line segment between each pair of points below. All right, so these are the points that were given to us, A and B. Now between A and B, of course, our rise is going to be negative 2. We just have to put 2, though. And our run is 3. We can connect the lines, and it is going downward. So that would mean our slope is negative 2/3. We're going to do the same thing here. We've got A here. We've got B here. So when I count up from my rise, I just get 2. And when I do my run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I get 7. I can connect these lines. It's going upward, so it is positive. I cannot reduce 2/7, so my slope is 2/7. Rise over run. All right, 8th grade. Nice, short, simple lesson going over slope today. Again, I hope you're all well. Reach out if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to make a video for tomorrow. See y'all soon. Bye.